Okay, this is how you do this. So you're gonna split this in half so that you can see the difference. So the first thing I'm gonna do is distribute. So it'll be 2x plus 6 is greater than 6, and then I'm gonna subtract 6 from the side. -6, -6, and then it'll be 2x is greater than 0, and then you can make that x is greater than 0. And then for this next part, I'm gonna subtract 3 from both sides, and I'm gonna put in, that's gonna be 2x is less than or equal to -10, and then that can turn into x is greater than or equal to -5. And then how you can draw that is like this. You have the line, and then you have -5, and then you have 0, and then you have this one is the one at 0 is an unfilled in circle because it's not a greater than or equal to. It's just there's no equal to in it. But this one, because there is an equal to, it is filled in. And then these, they'll get to be -infinity 5, and then or 0 infinity. And then for the second problem, I'm going to put sorry, it's not clicking. I'm going to put, oh my goodness, I was stuck in another tab. I'm going to put the y is greater than -2. So I'm gonna go to -2, and then since it's just straight up that, it's just a straight line, so you can go like that. And then for the up part, for this part, I'm gonna turn it into easier, so it's gonna be I'm gonna turn it into y is less than -4x plus 2. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the 2, and then you do 4, so it's gonna go down to 2, and then right here, and then you go in the line like this. And so from this straight line, it's this, but then from this not straight line, it's shaded here. So this area right here is where that stuff is. And then for this last problem, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go 4i and then turn the -24 into a 4, a 6, and then a -1. And then from there I can go 4i and then turn this 4 into just a 2. So it'll be times 2, and then times square root of 6 because you can't square root 6. And then it can turn, the -1 can turn into an I. And then from there, I can go 8i to the power of 2, and then square root of 6. And I can turn that into 8, 6.